Hi everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel by Lex Animus, and our today's subject is Indian Penal Code 1860 that talks difference between culpable homicide, that is section 299, and murder, that is section 300. Moving forward, we are talking about section 29, which talks about culpable homicide. First, we refer to the sections. Section 299 talks about whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death, commits the offense of culpable homicide. In this section, it talks about culpable homicide. It means, let's take an example, like a person who causes bodily injury to another who is laboring under a disorder, that is abnormality, disease or bodily infirmity, and thereby accelerates the death of that other. That means he knows that that person is abnormal, that person is bodily injured, but after knowing the truth, even a causes bodily injury to that person and thereby accelerates the death of that person, shall be deemed to have caused his death. And after such bodily injury, that person deemed to have caused his death, that person's death. So this is comes under culpable homicide. Now we are talking about the scope of homicide. I mean culpable homicide. Homicide is the highest order of bodily injury that can inflicted on a human body. Section 299 afterwards, we are talking about the offenses affecting our life, जो हमारे लाइफ को अफेक्ट करता है. These are the offenses which affected our life, जो हमारे लाइफ को अफेक्ट करता है, एक ह्यूमन को अफेक्ट करता है, एक ह्यूमन के बॉडी को अफेक्ट करता है. The word homicide is derived from the Latin word homo, that means man, and the other word is side, that means killing. Homicide means the killing of a man by a man. मतलब एक मैन से दूसरे मैन को जो किलिंग होता है, जो मर्डर होता है, that is called homicide. Homicide means the killing of a human being by a human being. However, in every case of killing, one is not culpable. There may be cases where the law will not punish a man for committing homicide. Like we are further reading that जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि every case of killing one is not culpable. One is not liable for in some situation one is not liable for causing death of another. That is homicide is we are talking about homicide that is further subdivided into two categories. First is lawful and second is unlawful. First is called lawful homicide and second is called unlawful homicide. After that, we are talking about example of lawful homicides. In previous sections, I think we have read excusable acts. We have read excusable acts, justifiable acts. These are the lawful homicides, which starting from section 76 to 105. In this section, there are categories of acts, categories of omissions, which you can segregate into excusable act and justifiable acts. Now we are discussing about lawful homicide. थोड़ा सा हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं lawful homicide क्या है. जैसे कि ये वीडियो lawful मतलब इतने लॉफुल होमिसाइड को बेस्ड करके नहीं बन रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी हमें कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स इसके भी जानने चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन इजीली differentiate both of them. First of all, homicide. What is as we know, homicide means the killing of a man by a man. Homicide can be further subdivided into two categories, that is lawful homicide and unlawful homicide. In lawful homicides there are two type of parts. There are two type of parts, that is excusable homicide and justifiable homicide. Then what is excusable homicide? This includes homicides which are committed with no criminal intention and knowledge. आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो जिसमें आपको नॉलेज नहीं है कि ये इसको करने से ये होगा. You don't know the consequence of your act, then that is comes under this excusable acts. And after that, justifiable act. A homicide is considered in law to be justified if by a person who is bound or by mistake of fact in good faith believes himself to be bound by law. Like a police officer किसी मतलब कोई चोर दौड़ रहा है, उसको वो गोली मारता है, और मान लो उस गोली मारने में उस इंसान को ऐसे गोली लग जाता है कि it leads to his death, but that doesn't mean he intentionally killed that person. No, that is comes under justifiable act, justifiable homicide. Now we are talking about unlawful homicide. Unlawful homicides are culpable homicides, murder, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Unlawful homicides are heinous crimes. Those crimes where in order to give punishment, there are sections in IPC. IPC में अनलॉफुल होमिसाइड्स के लिए सेक्शंस दिए गए हैं, और वैसे होमिसाइड्स जिसको कमिट करने से आपको पनिशमेंट हो सकता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अनलॉफुल होमिसाइड. Homicides, there are 3 points, 3 essential elements of culpable homicides. First point is causing of death, second point is by doing an act, third point is the act of causing death must be done with the intention of causing death, with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death, or with the knowledge that such act is likely to cause death. These are the essential elements in culpable homicide. Let's move to another. 100 के फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ के परव्यू में आता है, then it is called as murder. We are talking about, as this video is particularly discussed with the difference between culpable homicide and murder, so we are talking about the case law from which this this culpable homicide, the difference between the culpable homicide and murder was inferred. The case R.V. Govinda 1877. This is very important case. I must suggest you all that please refer to this case. This is a very important case. R.V. Govinda versus R.V. Govinda. This is a case of 1877. And in this case, the distinction between culpable homicide and murder could be well appreciated. All murders are, in this case, it was discussed that all murders are culpable homicide, but not all culpable homicides are. This is the basic difference between section 299 and 300. We have read this much, and if you are having any doubt regarding this, you can text us. We will surely reply your and questions. Thank you guys. Thank you.